handcrafted by a series of master craftsmen using only the highest grade materials. Each product is identical to the plane's original blueprint. Truly a fusion of art and history, a museum-quality masterpiece unmatched by another model-producing company on Earth. The perfect gift for any aviation enthusiast, history buff, military personnel, or collector. Each handcrafted model is a joint collaboration with you and us to meet your specific requirements. Our models will create a first impression that inspires confidence and pride in ownership. Get the best deals on collectible military aircraft, desk, and shelf models when you contact us now. Whether you're a pilot, veteran, or a collector, Asian Craft dominates in crafting detailed replicas from any photo or drawing. Our specialties include historically significant World War II aircraft models and beautifully crafted wooden airplane models, ensuring each piece resonates with authenticity. Unlike others that outsource or use does not have a reel, we are the manufacturer directly. This means we personally oversee and create every scale model airplane, ensuring unparalleled quality and attention to detail. Our expertise and dedication makes Asian Craft your premier choice in model making.